If you want to go to recovery mode on Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, all you have to do is first we need to reboot our smartwatch. So we're gonna press and hold both of these buttons and then just keep holding them until you will turn off the screen completely. After that, we will see the Samsung rebooting text. So keep pressing the home button until you see that you are in the reboot mode. Usually you need to press at least 3 times the home button in order to go here, and then we can keep pressing the home button in order to select the recovery option. Once you do that, press and hold the home button, and then the screen will turn off again and it will restart. Now once it turns on, you will see the recovery mode. And there we go, here we have the recovery mode. Here we can navigate by swiping up and down all the time. So if you keep swiping, you should be able to select whichever choice you want to use. And if you want to exit this recovery mode, you can simply make sure that reboot system now is selected and then just confirm by pressing the home button or the upper button. And now the watch should restart again, and this time you should be back into the normal mode. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.